Unless you've been living under a rock, you probably noticed the markets are going pretty crazy right now. A lot of economic uncertainty, tariffs this, tariffs that. It's hard to keep up on. And just a few weeks ago, we saw the S&P 500 have one of its single-day largest drops in the past 25 years, back on April 4th. It's pretty crazy, pretty wild time to be an investor and be invested. And I'm sure it could be extremely frightening for new investors trying to hop in, especially if you're kind of unsure of what to do. So I just kind of wanted to share what my strategy is and how I'm navigating these turbulent times. And honestly, it's pretty simple. I'm sticking to the same strategy that I've done for the past decade. Nothing's changed, but I buy twice a month. Once on the 1st of every month and again on the 15th of every month. There's no market timing, no guesswork. I don't care if the price goes up, if it goes down, I'm buying. And this applies to all my accounts, 401k, HSA, employee stock purchase program, brokerage account, 529 account, doesn't matter. It's all automated and I'm buying. I don't even have to think about it, don't have to worry about it. All those trades execute automatically. And the best part is none of this is revolutionary. This is a strategy known as dollar cost averaging. It's been around for decades. It's carried a lot of investors through bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. And it's made a lot of investors very wealthy. So it's pretty tried and true, and it's worked for other people, and I'm pretty confident that it's going to continue to work today, tomorrow, and 100 years from now. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, it's no day trading. I don't get any sort of dopamine boost from it or anything, but it works. Consistency pays off, and it's a lot better strategy than panicking. So if you're feeling anxious about what's going on, all this economic certainty, and just the markets in general, feel free to steal my strategy. Like I said, it's nothing revolutionary. It's simple. I buy twice a month, on the 1st of the month and the 15th of the month. I like to keep it simple, keep it automated, and just stay the course. Hope that helps. Thanks.